When we're dealing with chemical reactions, one of the most important things we can do is actually mention the state of the chemical compound. If you're new to chemistry, or if you only have a little bit of background in chemistry, then this is going to be probably something that's fairly new to you. But it's an important thing that we do in order to identify what's actually going on in a chemical reaction. So, in order to do this, what we do is we would write out our chemical reaction. And after each substance, we write out what state these substances are in. And we do this using a subscript in brackets. So that means a lower small letter written in brackets. And there are 4 different states that we use. S stands for solid. L, and I like to use a cursive L, but you really can use whatever kind you want. It tends not to be a capital, but I mean, it's your chemical reaction. G stands for gas, and AQ stands for aqueous. So if I were to say have this as AQ, that means aqueous, which is another way of saying dissolved in water. Aqueous means of water. So when we say aqueous, we're actually talking about something being dissolved. Let's just pretend for a second that this was a solid. Then you would write an S in the little subscript next to that compound. At a high school level of chemistry or beyond, there should be states with every single substance. Now, once you start to learn different types of chemical reactions, you can start to learn the different states that should go in place. But until then, read the question really, really carefully. And if you read your question carefully, it may say things like a solution of, which means aqueous, or a powder, solid, vapor, gas. All of these different things you can use to help you figure out the states of different substances. And if it's a pure element, you can actually get the state off of the periodic table itself. So hopefully this helps you get a better idea of how we can use states and identify what substances are actually looking like in a chemical reaction. So thanks for watching.